In today's digital-first world, your brand's reputation can make or break your business. One negative review, one bad article, or one viral complaint can cost you customers and credibility. But here's the good news. You can protect your brand online. In this video, we'll show you how smart business reputation management works and why it's essential. The first step in managing your reputation is knowing what's out there. Set up Google Alerts for your brand name, product names, and key executives. Regularly check major review sites, forums, and social media mentions. The sooner you catch an issue, the faster you can respond. Don't wait for negativity to appear. Build your digital fortress. Create and update your business website regularly. Publish blog posts, press releases, and case studies. Be active on professional platforms like LinkedIn, Google Business Profile, and industry-specific sites. Google rewards fresh, authoritative content, and so do potential customers. Online reviews impact trust and search rankings. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews. Respond professionally to all feedback, positive or negative. Address complaints quickly and privately if possible. Building a large base of positive reviews helps dilute the impact of occasional negative ones. If harmful content appears, you have options. Request removal directly from the platform or host. File DMCA takedown notices for stolen material. Use link suppression strategies to push down negative links in search results. Prepare before a crisis hits. Your plan should include who responds to public inquiries, how to manage media communication, how to escalate urgent online issues internally. Fast, transparent action can save a brand from long-term damage. At Leak Content Removal, we help businesses monitor their presence, remove harmful content, suppress negativity, and build positive digital reputations that last. Your brand's online reputation is one of your most valuable business assets. Protect it, nurture it, and if something goes wrong, act quickly and strategically. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe. Need expert help managing your business's reputation? Visit leakcontentremoval.com. We're here to protect and grow your brand.